Hi, I'm Carlos Paisano, and on this video I was asking Maximo, our lead fabricator at the shop and designer, to explain to us, for installers who buy the brake metals from us, what tools to use if they're out in the field and they need to take proper measurements of the brake metals, especially when you have columns in a shape of a bay window, if you don't have a rectangular shape, and you have angles on the columns, and you see that he used this tool, a compass, and we drew on the paper, on this table, working table, a sample steel column or for a bay window, and then is going to draw the actual angle in which the column is on the field, and then he can use those tools to figure out the exact number for that angle. He's saying that on each side, let's say that you have a sliding glass door, or you might have a window. You can find out the degrees of that angle, the internal angle, or you can just capture it with the tool and then transpose the lines on a piece of paper, and then the installer can bring the piece of paper to our shop, and then we can custom fabricate the brake metal cover to match the existing conditions at the job site. This is the outside, the exterior part, and this is the inside, the one he's showing right now. We can also do it giving the installers a strip, a spare piece, and they can bend it on the side and get a very approximate angle and shape of what they need to bend. That's another option. But he's explaining that if you have a bunch of pieces that you take on the field, and then while you transport it back here, they can get modified, and so there is more room for error, fabrication error.
Eso nos da este cuadro y la pieza queda perfecta en casa del cliente.
Gracias, Máximo.